Hey, what's up, YouTube? First video, I guess this is the first vlog. Don't count this one because I'm not going to be surprised if I get like 2 views. But I'm so excited that my camera just came in. I'll be unboxing that in this video. I guess to say a few things, I'm definitely excited to get started on this journey. It's a long time coming, but that's not what you guys clicked for. You guys clicked because you saw new camera, unboxing G7X Mark II. Alright, let's get to it. Let's see, where? Head scissors. I had scissors. I hope I'm not sitting by them. That could have been bad. Alright, let's flip it around. It's about to go down. I'm on the YouTube app, so I'm like one shot in this thing, but we'll see what happens. Technically can't redo it because I already opened the box. Oh my god. So that's all the gear I got. I guess this is like a flexible tripod. I will post the link to where I got this. I think I got it. I think I got it for a great deal, but it's also really not my industry. So if I post a link and someone that one of the 5 views actually does go to the link and sees that it was a horrible deal, that you could do much better for me, let me know. Your boy got 30 days to return it. So let's get on that. Anyway, moving forward. So I'm assuming this is a charging thing. This is how I'm going to charge this. When I say I don't know cameras, I'm super hype about this to start with. Super hype. But yeah, so we got that. Probably not going to take that out yet, just because I'm assuming that's pretty important. When it has the wrappy things, I can at least find it. Alright, hold on. So 64 gig memory card. I can live with that. That was better than some of the other ones. The universal LED light. I'll be needing that. This is just the carrying case it comes with. I might rock that, but I likely will get a book bag just because I am very clumsy. And if I can't lose this, so because your boy hurting, so I definitely won't be able to. Moving forward, battery charger. I guess that comes with it. Photo suite. gotta keep my cool face. Alright, here we go. This allergies are killing me. Back to the good stuff. Alright. I swear I'm stronger than this. Let's not drop the camera. So, I said it comes with another tripod for like super shooting. I would probably be using that a lot for the daily vlogs. Okay. Alright, is this more memory? No. Oh, that's the battery. Yeah, probably need that. Let's get it back to me. Alright. There she is. Upside down. There she is. I promise all the other videos are going to be a lot better than this. I'm just so excited right now. So, you're going to look at the ceiling for like a few seconds, but bear with me. Lean on me. Alright. There's my warranty. Where is it? I forgot I was still recording. And I'm gonna need. Oh shoot! Go back to the good stuff. Y'all don't care about that. Ceiling. Here we go. What the box looks like. There goes my baby. Oh yeah, she's fine. You were a dime plus 99 in the change. Don't even know. The reason I really got this camera, as opposed to some of the other options, is because of the How about we don't break it? Oh yeah, is because of this right here. It doesn't just it flips up. So when I'm shooting, I'll be shooting like this. When I'm shooting, I'll be shooting like this, and we'll get a good little selfie action going there. Got the clip going, the charger, another battery. Oh, life is lit. I'm already got hella batteries and got extra memory cards. So that's it. I just wanted to share that because that's likely what you're going to be seeing, hearing me on from moving forward. I mean, this is my iPhone 6, and so I'll probably do a lot of shooting with this maybe. But for the most part, for the good stuff, I'll be using this baby right here. So, definitely excited to get started. I don't know what you'd ask in the comment section, but if you have a question, what made me buy the G7X? Because how I came upon the decision, that would be image resource. No, I think it's imagingresource.com. I'll post. Oh yeah, I'll post that link in the bio as well because it's not my website, but it's dope and it saved my ass in terms of finding something that was decent. I'll post the Amazon link, and yeah, if you guys have any questions about this moving forward, I guess just subscribe and watch the other videos. If they're doper than this, subscribe to those. Subscribe then. No. Subscribe now. If they're doper than this, definitely like those, but share those because I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm excited to transform my life. On a serious note, I'm really excited to transform my life, and I'm shaking right now. But I'm excited to transform my life, and it'd be an honor to have you guys with me. Because on the back end of this, we're going to do some amazing things in this world. I promise you that. I promise you that.